Hello everyone, I'm Cricri. Welcome back to my channel this week. We will continue with our Halloween series. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make these super easy and delicious Frankenstein Marshmallow poppers for Halloween. They are super simple to make and they are cute as well. Let's get started. For this recipe, we will need white marshmallows and K-pop sticks. Insert the K-pop sticks into the marshmallows. If you're having a tough time keeping them in place, you can dip the tip of the sticks in chocolate before inserting them into the marshmallows. The number of marshmallows you'll need will depend on how many poppers you want to do. Continue inserting the sticks until you have finished with all the marshmallows. We will also need 1 cup of green candy melts. We will melt them in the microwave at 30-second intervals until they have fully melted. When the chocolate has cooled down but is still liquid, transfer it to a long thin container to ease the dipping process. Next, dip the marshmallows all the way into the green chocolate, making sure to let the excess chocolate drip off. If you're having a hard time getting rid of the excess chocolate, tapping the stick or shaking it a little will help. Let it dry in a vertical position and continue dipping the rest of the marshmallows. If the chocolate seems to be getting too thick, pop it back in the microwave for a few seconds to get the right consistency again. When you're done dipping all the marshmallows, place them in the fridge for 10 minutes. For the hair, we will need 1/3 of a cup of dark chocolate chips. Mix them with some coconut oil so it has a runnier consistency when it melts. Now, dip the tip of the marshmallow slightly into the dark chocolate. Immediately after, using a toothpick, form the edges of the hair all around the head. I believe the hair edges give it a more realistic look and it makes it look so cute. Repeat the same process with the rest of the marshmallows. When you're done with the hair, place them in the fridge for another 5 minutes so the chocolate finishes setting up. Now we will need small candy eyes. Using the chocolate as glue, place the eyes on the center of the marshmallow to form Frankie's face. To simulate the screws in his head, I will be using pretzel sticks that I have previously cut to size. Insert into the sides of the marshmallow very carefully. The chocolate cracks easily. Repeat the same process with the rest of the marshmallows. You can change the expressions of each popper depending on how you place the eyes. Make different expressions for each Frankie. To make the smiles and scars, I will be using red and black gel food coloring. You could also use chocolate in the corresponding colors if you prefer. Using a toothpick, draw an irregular smile line with the black gel coloring. I decided to draw the smile in a zigzag pattern. You could try different styles for each Frankie. Just be creative and have fun. Continue drawing the smiles on the rest of the marshmallows. And for the final touch, I will be using another toothpick and red gel food coloring to draw a scar on the top part of the face. I only made one, but you could add a few more if you prefer and have different designs for each Frankie. And they are ready. They turn out so cute! As you can tell, each of them has a very unique expression and that keeps it fun. For real, they're so yummy and simple to do. And that was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with all your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!